Hi friends, welcome back my channel Unity Car today, presenting a machine that once ruled hearts and now returns in a bold new avatar. This is the same Daewoo Cielo that once lived in memories of an entire generation. Now in 2025, Unity Car unveils its most refined and stunning version, the 1.5 GTX. Once known for simplicity and trust, it now stands as a symbol of sportiness and futuristic design. Not just a facelift, this is a complete transformation. This new model arrives with a single purpose, to impress. And once seen, it's impossible to look away. This is no longer just Cielo, it's a whole new story. So stay tuned till the end, because this journey bridges the past and the future in the most exciting way possible. Daewoo Cielo, a name that captured attention for years. Originally launched in the 1990s, it earned fame for its aerodynamic body, reliable performance, and elegant simplicity. Fast forward nearly 3 decades, and in 2025, Cielo is reborn with a completely new identity. This 2025 Daewoo Cielo 1.5 GTX comes with a modernized design, enhanced aerodynamics, and a bold road presence. The first thing that strikes is the bold hexagonal front grille. Right at the center, the refreshed Daewoo emblem gleams with pride. Sleek and aggressive LED projector headlamps light up the road like daylight. Below that, the sporty bumper with wide air intakes gives the front a performance-packed personality. Moving to the side profile, fluidic lines shape the body with aerodynamic precision. Dual-tone side mirrors with integrated indicators add both style and safety. The 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels add a dynamic feel and superior grip. Body-colored handles and a fully streamlined side design give the car a premium appearance. Now to the rear, it's just as impressive. Wraparound LED tail lights give it a futuristic edge. A chrome accent and Cielo badging on the boot add a touch of class. The dual-tone rear bumper with a diffuser-style lower section gives it a true sports car look. The ground clearance is well balanced, ideal for smooth driving across various roads. Aerodynamic kits are integrated to improve speed and fuel efficiency. Available in stylish shades like blue, gray, white, and black, each color enhances its presence in a unique way. This latest Daewoo Cielo 1.5 GTX is a tribute to nostalgic memories and a welcome into the world ahead. Not just a car, it's an experience, a journey that connects generations. Unity Car is always committed to showcasing models that aren't just to be seen, but truly felt. If this modern Cielo caught attention, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment about the biggest difference noticed between the classic and the new generation. Another powerful, stylish, and exciting ride will be featured soon. Until then, stay connected with Unity Car, where every model is made to be special, just like this one.